Imagine a machine that could read the story of your life and tell you how it ends. We are no longer in the realm of science fiction. Advanced artificial intelligence models are now being used to forecast human lifespan with startling precision. But this incredible power raises a profound question. Should we peer into our own futures? Let's explore how this technology works and the storm of ethical chaos it brings with it. To make its predictions, the AI consumes vast amounts of data, painting a detailed picture of an individual's life. At the center is the prediction model, a powerful algorithm designed to find meaning in the noise. It starts with lifestyle data, where you live, what you do for work, and your daily habits. Next, it incorporates your health and genetic information, looking for predispositions and past medical events. Finally, it analyzes behavioral data, mapping out your life's journey through education, relationships, and significant events. By weaving these threads together, the AI doesn't just see a person, it sees a complex, unfolding story. The breakthrough behind this technology is a model nicknamed Life 2-Vec. Its approach is both brilliant and chilling. It conceptualizes a human life not as a set of statistics, but as a sentence being written, one event at a time. To do this, it uses a transformer architecture, the same kind of engine that powers the AI chatbots we interact with every day. It's built to understand sequences. Every significant life event, from your first job to a major illness, is converted into a word. The AI reads the sentence of your life so far to predict the next word and the one after that until it reaches the end. By learning the language of human existence, the model can make an educated guess about when the story will conclude. So, how does the machine travel from a person's past to their future? It's a methodical, analytical journey. It begins with the raw data input, the complete digitized history of an individual's life. The AI then performs a deep pattern analysis, searching for subtle connections between behaviors, events, and outcomes across millions of data points. From these patterns, it identifies and weighs specific risk factors, the elements in the life sentence that most strongly point towards an early or late conclusion. Finally, it synthesizes all this information to generate a lifespan estimate. Not a definite date, but a probabilistic window of time. This four-step process transforms a life story into a statistical forecast, a destiny calculated by a machine. The existence of such a tool forces us to confront a terrifying question. What would you do if you knew? The answer is far from simple. For many, this knowledge would be an unbearable psychological toll. It could trigger crippling anxiety or a sense of fatalism, where the belief in one's predicted fate actually hastens it. Yet there is a paradox. For others, a grim forecast could be a powerful motivator, inspiring them to make positive changes. The same knowledge that crushes one person might liberate another. This creates a deeply personal ethical dilemma. Is the potential for inspiration worth the risk of despair? The ethical chaos extends far beyond the individual. If this technology becomes widespread, it could fundamentally re-engineer our society. Imagine a world of systemic discrimination, where your predicted lifespan dictates your access to insurance and employment, a new, chilling form of prejudice. This could lead to a new social stratification, a society split into two castes, those with time and those without. This division would impact everything, from personal loans to social status. Perhaps most disturbingly, it could change how we allocate precious resources, like healthcare. It forces a terrible question. Is a life with less predicted time worth less investment? Without strict oversight, this AI doesn't just predict the future, it creates a future where our destiny is defined by data before we've even lived it. So we are left standing before a technology that is a true double-edged sword. On one hand, we have the technology itself, a remarkable feat of AI that reads our life stories. This holds the incredible promise of revolutionizing preventative medicine, allowing us to intervene long before a disease becomes fatal. But, on the other hand, we have the peril, the immense danger of creating a society built on discrimination and fatalism. This leaves us with the ultimate question. The future is not yet written. How we choose to regulate and control this power will determine whether it becomes a tool for salvation or for subjugation. The choice is ours.